Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, welcome to my video. And for your information, this is my first video for my final exam, and I hope you enjoy it. My name is Rebin Karamuro Sibuan. I'm from Merchant Marine Polytechnic Semarang. I'm going to share information about the VHF communication procedure. How to conduct initial call. Initial call is used to other parties. The structure. Number 1. Call. Call the vessel name followed by call sign or other identification of the vessel 1 until 3 times. Number 2. Identify. Identify yourself. Name of your ship. Other identify, call sign. Number 2. Identify yourself. Name of your ship. Other identify, call sign. MMSI number or other 1 until 3 times. Number 3. MSG. Deliver what you wanna say. You may confirm to other ship can hear you clearly or not. Number 4. Say over. To confirm that you have finished your call. For example, motor vessel Delta, motor vessel Delta, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo, call sign Papa Charlie Kilo. How do you read me? Over. So, how to say position? Why to say is by mention it one by one. For example, motor vessel Echo in position. Latitude 21 degrees 20 minutes north. Longitude 0 to 9 degrees 15 minute east. Bearing and distance. Way to say is also by mentioning it one by one. Example, my position is bearing 300 degrees from buoy number 1, distance 1.5 miles. How to stress an important message using repeat. Way we say is by saying I repeat after the important message. I repeat to stress the important message. Understood. To acknowledge the message. Example, motor vessel Delta, motor vessel Delta, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo, call sign Papa Charlie Kilo. Passport to port, I repeat. Passport to port. Over. Motor vessel Delta, motor vessel Delta, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo, call sign Papa Charlie Kilo. Understood. I will pass port to port. Over. How to ask other person to repeat his message. Because you cannot hear it clearly using say again. To use say again, you can say again after you identify yourself. For example, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo, call sign Papa Charlie Kilo. Please say again your draft. I hear you with bad signal. Over. And the response is motor vessel Echo, call sign Papa Charlie Kilo. This is motor vessel Delta. My draft is 2.5 meters over. So, how to do correction with your wrong message? By saying mistakes correction. Way to use that is by saying mistake correction after you wrong message and followed by the correction message. For example, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo. My heading is 15 degrees. Mistake correction, my heading is 2. For example, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo. My heading is 15 degrees. Mistakes correction, my heading is 12 headings. For example, motor vessel Delta, call sign Hotel November Mike. This is motor vessel Echo. My heading is 15 degrees. Mistakes correction, my heading is 12 degrees over. And the next is how to use message marker. Message marker is used before a session and to make the communication clear. Also minimize misunderstanding in radio VHF communication. There are 8 message marker may be used is: number 1, instruction; number 2, advice; number 3, warning; number 4, information; number 5, question; number 6, answer; number 7, request; number 8, intention. And now I want to explain it one by one. Number 1, instruction. Instruction message marker is message that consists of instruction that only given by the authorities and must be followed by the ship or object that receive this message for safety reason or regulation reason. Way to deliver interaction message is can you must or do not. For the example, do not cross the fairway. Number 2 is advice. Indicates that the message sender gives an advice and the decides whether to follow or not stay with the receipt, but should consider very carefully. For the example, advice standby on channel 16. Number 3, warning. Warning indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to inform others about danger. Example, warning obstruction on your starboard bow. Number 4, information. Information is marker is used for deliver the situation, facts, or other information. For example, information: motor vessel Echo will overtaking your port side. Number 5, question. The useless marker is for the removes any doubt on whether a question is being asked or statement is being made, especially when interrogative, such as what, where, why, who, how are additionally used at the beginning of the question. The recipient is expected to return an answer. For the example, question: what is your max draft? Number 6, answer. This is message marker used to reply to previous question. For example, answer my max draft is 6 meter. And the next is request. Request indicates that the following message is asking for action from other with respect to the vessel and must be used in following navigation or to modify contracts. For example, request, I require tug assist. Number 8, intention. Intention indicates that the following message inform others about immediate navigational action we take. Example, intention, I will reduce my speed. So we can prepare first and we can more understand about those messages and we can don't get mixed up. Okay, see you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.